Hey there, health buddies. How are you all? Cooking without oil. That's like driving a car without fuel. It's just not happening. But not all oils are created equal. Some are kitchen superheroes, boosting flavor and health, while others, well, they're more like the sidekicks you can do without and also not good for you. However, choosing the right kind of fuel is critical. I mean, oil. Oil for cooking. Some oils are more appropriate for higher heat cooking and may also provide health benefits. Others may harm health if used too often. Which is why today I'll be discussing which oil is best and which is worst for you based on their saturated and unsaturated fat levels, which is directly linked to your heart. We'll be focusing on which oil is good for your heart health. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Olive oil. Nutrition and cooking experts agree that one of the most versatile and healthy oils to cook with and eat is olive oil, as long as it's extra virgin. An extra virgin label means that the olive oil is not refined and therefore of high quality. Extra virgin olive oil contains a large amount of monounsaturated fats and some polyunsaturated fatty acids. Many studies have linked it to better heart health. Olive oil has a relatively lower smoke point compared to other oils, so it's best for low and medium heat cooking. Canola oil. Canola oil is derived from rapeseed, a flowering plant, and contains a good amount of monounsaturated fats and a decent amount of polyunsaturated fats. Of all vegetable oils, canola oil tends to have the least amount of saturated fats. It has a high smoke point, which means it can be helpful for high heat cooking. That being said, in the United States, canola oil tends to be highly processed, which means fewer nutrients overall. Cold-pressed or unprocessed canola oil is available, but it can be difficult to find. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is a great choice. It's unrefined like extra virgin olive oil, but it has a higher smoking point, which means it can be used to cook at higher heat and is great for stir-fries. It doesn't have much flavor, which makes it a good option for cooking. It's just creamy, like an avocado. Avocado oil contains both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. It has one of the highest monounsaturated fat contents among cooking oils, as well as vitamin E. One downside is that it tends to be more expensive. Sunflower oil. This oil is high in vitamin E. 1 tablespoon contains 28% of a person's daily recommended intake of the nutrient. It has a high smoke point and doesn't have a strong flavor, which means it won't overwhelm a dish. However, sunflower oil contains a lot of omega-6 fatty acids. The body needs them, but omega-6s are thought to be pro-inflammatory, while omega-3s are anti-inflammatory. Consuming too many omega-6s without balancing with omega-3s could lead to an excess inflammation in the body. So consuming it in moderate amount would be best for your and your family's health. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid. In addition to their benefits for your ticker, omega-3s, a type of polyunsaturated fat that your body cannot produce on its own, may reduce inflammation, thus lowering your risk for certain types of cancer. Flaxseed oil in particular may help reduce symptoms of arthritis. One study found that higher levels of linolenic acid were linked to lower odds of heart disease, stroke, and early death. Don't heat this oil, as doing so can disrupt the fatty acid content, according to research. Instead, use it in cold dishes like smoothies and salads. Palm oil. Palm oil is composed of roughly equal parts saturated fat and unsaturated fat, research has found. According to Harvard Health Publishing, because it's semi-solid at room temperature, it's often used in processed foods in place of partially hydrogenated oils. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, considering it contains less saturated fat than butter and contains no trans fats. Still, palm oil shouldn't be your go-to for cooking, especially when you can easily opt to use oils with lower levels of saturated fat. People with diabetes should pay close attention to their saturated fat consumption. They should definitely avoid palm oil. Partially hydrogenated oils. The primary source of unhealthy trans fats in a person's diet is partially hydrogenated oil, which can be found in processed foods as mentioned above. These artificial trans fats are created through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils to make them more solid. Trans fat not only increases LDL and triglyceride levels, but also reduces good HDL cholesterol. Most trans fat is artificially created through hydrogenation. That's why it's best to avoid hydrogenated oils. Fish oil. Fish oil is a concentrated fat, so it can disrupt your digestive tract, especially if you take it on an empty stomach. These are intended to be omega-3 rich dietary supplements that you should take cold and in small doses. Don't use these products for cooking purposes. Some studies have suggested there may be a link between fish oil and prostate cancer risk, while others have come to the opposite conclusion. There's an option for every health goal, taste preference, and budget when it comes to cooking oils. For high-heat cooking, it's important to choose oils that maintain their stability. Oils heated past their smoke point break down, which affects flavor and can produce unhealthy compounds. I've presented pros and cons of using these oils for cooking. Now it's up to you which one you choose or avoid after this video. Also, tell me in the comments which oil you'll start using or avoiding after watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.